Hi, I'm Katie. I am a Christian. I am a twin mom. On this channel, I do vlogs and I wanted to share helpful nuggets of mom life as well as share my adorably cute twins, just to share my life with my friends. And I also do things where I sit down and organize my thoughts and share things to challenge Christians to love better, to be Jesus better. And I've made just like one other video of supporting newer YouTubers in this, and this video here is particularly special, and I was very silly when I made this. This is probably the silliest thing I've ever posted, and I'm a little embarrassed, but oh well. I hope you laugh. I just really want to help you guys to have a really good channel introduction. So that's why I made this video for you. So please let me know what you think, and if this makes you laugh, then give it a like, and yeah, have fun, enjoy.
Do you want to be cool? Well, I decided to be cool a few weeks ago, and now here I am. And I started this channel. I read a book about being cool once, and it changed my life. How would you like to raise your coolness by 5,000%? If there's anyone that knows about coolness, you're looking at her. I guess you could say I'm kind of a role model of coolness.
At the heart of it, I just want everybody to be as cool as me.
Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share this with all of your friends, and comment, yes, sign me up below. And I promise you, in a very short amount of time, you too will be as cool as me. I post new cool tips every Tuesday at 5 o'clock. Swedish Stockholm Standard Time. I don't know what that is. Look it up. I'm a cool person, not a smart one. This was not a real channel, but should it be? Yes, it totally should, right? I did not come up with this list, but I have tweaked it a bit, and just that's what we can do. We can learn from what other people that have gone on before us have done. Number 1. Ask a question that your channel addresses. So, for example, my thing, do you want to be cool? That's a question. Hello, do you want to come sit with me? I'm doing a little video. Show what you do and how you do it. That's number 2. Can you say 3? Can you show 3 fingers? So close. 3, why should we listen to you? What are your qualifications? 5, it'd be really good to have an ending statement, like kind of a mission statement to kind of sum it all up. Why you're making videos, what your heart is, what your passion is. Think about this, pray about this, put it together. Put it together succinctly in a few words. And then your call to action. Say what you want people to do, to subscribe, to comment. Oh, and the other thing was let people know how often they can expect something from you, because apparently that's really good to do. So even a specific time is even better. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you were thoroughly entertained. I was definitely entertained in the making of this video. I just love her. I just look with dark hair. Oh, so pretty. Give me that binky. This is my binky. Get your... No. Pretty blonde? Ooh, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty! Okay, let's turn this off. Flying high and high.